Okay, I'm going to bring down big pine tree there. Got to sharpen my blade. Let's try this again. Okay, it's on the ground. I'm going to clean it up a bit and we'll drop another one. Okay, let's take number 2 down. Okay, it's on the ground. I'm going to log it out. Well, I got this one logged out. I took two 8'6" logs already over. I'm going to mill those out. I got a 10'6", 12'6", a 20-foot 4-inch one, and you can see there's quite a sweep in that. So I actually cut an 8'6" one off the butt cut to get it straightened out somewhat. Even now it's not perfect, but I think I can get, you know, some rafters out of it. This one over here, I got 9'6", actually two 10'6", sorry, a 12'6", and then two 20-foot 4-inch logs. Now those are beasts. I think those ones are actually bigger than the last one I did. So yeah, that's going to be fun to get down here. I may have to get my friend over here with the tractor to get them out, but it is what it is. The big ones give you lots of lumber. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of milling here of some of this smaller stuff. I know it's not too much excitement for y'all, so I'll spare you the details on that. I've also got to take, this is one of the small trees that was dead. I'm just going to square these off and make them for 4x4 or 3x3 or whatever I can get out of them. When I start stacking my lumber, I find that those work really nicely to almost better than pallets. I can, you know, put them about every 3 feet. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that. So as always, I appreciate you joining me. If you would, please like and subscribe. I'm going to hopefully be back at it Tuesday, maybe of next week. I'm not exactly sure. It's next week's kind of crazy for me. I don't know how much work I'm going to get done out here on the property. So be looking for, I did a video on update on my 1-year anniversary of my back surgery. So if you want to join or watch that, you can kind of, if you know anybody who's going through that type of pain and that type of trauma that they might need to have back surgery, that might be a video worth watching. And so until next time, as always, you have a great day.